Center for Research in Igbo History and Culture. It is the wedding of Mr. Joe Emeka, Joe Jamaica, on the occasion of his traditional wedding ceremony here at Okija in Ihiala local government area of Anambra State. And here is His Royal Majesty Igwe Emeka Okezie Okaije, the second of Okija. Saben is Chukwuemeka, Okebo the second of Umwe. The groom today is his immediate younger brother. Majesty Igwe Emeka Okezie Okija the second of Okija, dancing to the Ogene to Samba boy of Okija. Center for Research in Igbo History and Culture. Yeah, in Okija, in Ihiala local government area of Anambra State. Today is Saturday, the 8th of May 2021. on the floor. That's to the music of Ogenudo Samba Boys of Okija, Igala Local Government Area, Anambra State. Today, Saturday, the 8th of May, 2021. So, Princess, you are here. The other day was your happy day.
Yeah.
And today, how do you feel?
I feel good. I feel so happy for her. And my husband's uncle, it's been a very long time his wife died. And I think it's about time. So I'm happy for them.
You're happy. A few months ago, you were the youngest bride in the Emeka family.
Yeah.
And today you have a junior.
I'm a senior.
You are now a senior. You've been promoted. You are now a senior because you have a junior now.
Yeah.
So what's going to happen? Are you going to be giving her a knock? You tell her to kneel down and pick.
No.
So how are you going to assert your seniority?
I'm going to, educate her, like try to make her feel at home, make her feel welcome. Because when I was married, they made me feel so good.
Okay, they made you feel so welcome and so nice.
So I'm going to do same
To her. Huh? And you are going to educate her like you said.
Yeah.
As I'm more experienced. Thank you. And that is Princess Chioma Emeka. That is the wife, recently the bride of Prince Nonso Emeka. Chidi. No, okay, Chidi. Pardon me. I've committed a blunder, but it's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. Prince Chidi Emeka. You are welcome, lady. Thank you very much. God bless you. Ọ̀pọ̀dún Okija.
Okija one. Igbo Okija. Okija one.
His Royal Majesty Igwe Okija is handing over the bride to Igwe Nweri.
Everything about her, my property, everything. Twice a month. Obiana, I will be a Janamba. I will be a Janamba. Respect
Double braids. Amen.
For the second. Okay, bring a report. Yes.
Amen. 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 Amen.
So now, I'm going to say ceremony. Unora kwa ika na wa.
Boys you ni na boy wine, ko ko yo yen won wine. Eh, boys you yen won wine. Ka
The Center for Research in Igbo History and Culture, and here we are signing off. It's been a long day at Okija in Ihiala government area, Anambra State. We have witnessed the rich cultural heritage, the food, the music, the fashion, the dancing of the people of Okija, of the Igbo nation. And now we are about to sign off for the day. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe bar so that you will be able to see other videos from this particular program and other videos on events, programs and activities relating to the Igbo history and culture. Thank you, thank you, thank you.